Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. Exterior design of a modern small white house. Overall aesthetic: a minimalist and contemporary look with a clean, fresh feel. Exterior finishes: walls, a crisp, bright white exterior for a modern and airy appearance. Roof, a flat or gently sloping roof in a neutral color like light gray or black to contrast the white walls. Windows, large, floor-to-ceiling windows to maximize natural light and create a visual connection with the outdoors. Consider black frames for a modern touch. Architectural details: rounded door, a unique and eye-catching focal point for the facade. Minimalist lines, clean, straight lines and simple geometric shapes for a modern aesthetic. Flat or low-pitched roof contributes to the overall minimalist look. Landscaping: lawn, a simple, well-manicured lawn provides a clean and inviting front yard. Minimalist planting: a few strategically placed plants or shrubs can add interest without overwhelming the space. Modern outdoor lighting: consider minimalist outdoor lighting to accentuate the house's architecture at night. Overall impression: a sleek, modern home that exudes a sense of calm and sophistication. The white exterior and rounded door create a striking contrast against the green lawn, resulting in a clean and contemporary look. Interior design of a modern small white house. Overall aesthetic: a minimalist and clean atmosphere that complements the exterior's modern look. Color palette: predominantly white walls to create a sense of spaciousness and light. Accents of black or gray for a sophisticated touch. Pops of color through artwork, textiles, or plants. Materials: wood accents for warmth and texture. Polished concrete or marble for flooring to reflect light. Glass and metal for a modern industrial feel. Furniture: clean lines and simple shapes for a minimalist aesthetic. Multifunctional furniture to maximize space. Comfortable seating with neutral colors. Decor: minimalist artwork or photography. A few carefully selected decorative pieces. Indoor plants for a touch of nature. Key rooms: living room, open and airy with large windows to connect with the outdoors. Minimalist furniture and neutral colors create a relaxing atmosphere. Kitchen: modern and functional with sleek cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. White countertops and backsplash complement the overall aesthetic. Bedroom: simple and serene with a focus on comfort. White walls and minimal decor create a restful space. Bathroom: clean and contemporary with white tiles and modern fixtures. Add a touch of luxury with spa-like elements. Overall impression: a light, airy, and sophisticated interior that reflects the modern exterior of the house. The emphasis on clean lines, neutral colors, and natural light creates a calm and inviting atmosphere. Reasons to design a small modern white house with rounded doors and a grassy front yard. A small modern white house with rounded doors and a grassy front yard offers a compelling blend of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. Here are some key reasons for this design choice. Aesthetic appeal: clean and modern. The white exterior creates a timeless and minimalist aesthetic. Visual interest: the rounded door adds a unique and eye-catching element to the facade. Natural harmony: the grassy front yard offers a refreshing contrast to the house and creates a sense of tranquility. Functionality: versatility: the white exterior can be complemented by various interior design styles. Natural light: Large windows in a white house maximize natural light, creating a bright and airy interior. Low maintenance. A grassy front yard is generally easier to maintain than complex landscaping. Psychological benefit. Sense of calm. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic can promote relaxation and focus. Connection to nature. The grassy front yard offers a connection to the outdoors. Positive impression. The combination of a white house, rounded door, and green lawn creates a welcoming and inviting first impression. Sustainability. Energy efficiency. White exteriors can reflect sunlight, potentially reducing cooling costs. Low environmental impact. The simple design and minimal materials can contribute to a smaller ecological footprint. By combining these elements, a small modern white house with rounded doors and a grassy front yard can create a harmonious and sustainable living space. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.